Two vehicles arrive with the same symptom, the same warning light, the same behavior, even the same component flagged as faulty. But from a workshop and OEM perspective, these cases must not be treated the same, because warranty decisions depend not only on the symptoms, but on when the defect occurred, who carries the burden of proof, and how much technical evidence is required. Ignoring these differences leads to rejected claims, wasted labor, and incorrect root cause analysis. In Europe, most of the products must conform for at least 2 years. This includes vehicles and spare parts with small exceptions. In EU member states, the burden of proof lies for a period with the manufacturer or seller in case of any fault. Commonly, this ranges between 6 and 12 months, and in some cases can go up to 24 months. During this period, the seller or OEM must prove the defect was not present at delivery. Other countries not part of the EU have similar regulations. For example, in the UK, the reversed burden normally lasts around 6 months, after which the workshop or customer must prove the defect existed at sale. In Switzerland, buyers often bear the evidential burden unless national rules specify otherwise. Norway is a little bit more different, as the burden of proof lies on the seller or manufacturer for a longer period for goods with a longer lifetime expectancy, and this includes vehicles. What this means for workshops? Even when two components fail the same way, the age of the product determines how deep your diagnostic must go, what evidence you must collect, and whether the outcome is warranty, customer pay, goodwill, or no issues found. Identical symptoms often mask very different technical failure modes. If we think at a more complex system like the ones we have on our vehicles, we can understand that a single component fault can be triggered by internal degradation or drift, intermittent connector resistance, wiring harness microbreaks, sensor contamination, software interpretation errors in the ECU, vibration-related effects, or wear and tear from normal aging. Some causes relate to manufacturing, some to environment, and many to long-term usage. As a component ages, the probability of multiple overlapping causes increases. This is why later life failures require more detailed technical evidence. OEMs may request signal trace and freeze frame logs, measurement reports, photos or videos, part serial numbers, or even test bench confirmations. Late life data is not only needed to decide warranty coverage. OEMs depend on this information to detect emerging patterns, validate field reliability, and guide quality improvements. Understanding this helps you understand why, for some warranty cases, there may be a more detailed request and more supporting documents may be requested. Always remember, the same symptom may have a very different technical story behind. This is my diagnostic matrix for dealing with warranty cases. Early life failures require lighter proof. Later life failure requires stronger evidence, technical justification, and proof that exclude customer fault or wear and tear. The more complex the fault gets, the more proof it requires. Always remember, same symptom does not mean the same cause. Same cause does not mean the same warranty path. As the product ages, the burden of proof changes, and so must your diagnostic strategy. Join me on my channel for more details.